Today we learn how to calculate the quantities of cement, sand, aggregate for 1 cubic meter of concrete. Calculation of quantities cement, sand and aggregate in 1 cubic meter of concrete. To calculate the individual quantities of cement, sand and aggregate required for 1 cubic meter, assume a nominal mixed grade of concrete such as M20. You can use same method to calculate any grade of concrete. Concrete mix design for M20 grade of concrete. Now let us consider M20 grade concrete. As per IS 456-2000, M20 grade concrete proportion is 1:1.5:3. We have to add all the volume to know the total volume. 1 plus 1.5 plus 3 equal to 5.5. As we know that during concreting, when we place wet concrete, it gets hardened after certain standard time. Considering the same, it had been decided upon by civil design engineers to take a factor of safety from 1.54 to 1.57 to counter that shrinkage. Volume of dry concrete equal to 1.54 to 1.57 times of volume of wet concrete. I am assuming here 1.57 as factor of safety. So total volume of concrete required is 1.57 meter cube. Calculation of volume of cement in 1 cubic meter of concrete. To calculate the quantity of cement in concrete, the following formula is used. Volume of cement divided by sum of the ratios into 1.5. Here cement is 1 and 1.5 is factor of safety, and divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3 equal to 0.28 meter cube. Here 0.28 into 1440 converted by kgs. Here we consider 1 cubic meter of cement equal to 1440 kgs. For 1 cubic meter of concrete, 403.2 kgs of cement is required. Number of cement bag is required for 1 cubic meter of concrete. 403 divided by 50 equal to 8.06 as 8 bags. Hence we required 8 bag of cement for 1 cubic meter of concrete. If we need to convert it in CFT, need to multiply the result with 35.31. Now we calculate the volume of sand for 1 cubic meter of concrete. Formulas are same. The volume of sand divided by sum of the ratio into 1.57. Here the result is 0.42 meter cube, and multiply by 1600. Here we consider 1 cubic meter of sand equal to 1600 kgs. So our required sand is 672 kgs. Sand usually consists of moisture content. It increases the volume of sand. For accurate calculation, use dry sand or include the effect of bulking as mentioned above in calculation. Hence we required 672 kgs of sand for 1 cubic meter of concrete. Now we calculate the coarse aggregate for 1 cubic meter of concrete. The formulas are same. Ratios of aggregate divided by sum of the ratios of all the materials into 1.57. So the aggregate ratios are 3 into 1.57 divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. Result is 0.85 meter cube. Here 0.85 into 1560 equal to 1326 kgs. Here we consider 1 cubic meter of aggregate equal to 1560 kgs. The density of aggregate may go higher if void space are decreases. 5 mm aggregate has more density when compared with 20 mm size of aggregate. Hence, we required 1326 kgs of 20 mm aggregate for 1 cubic meter of concrete. Finally, the amount of water required for 1 cubic meter of concrete. For making concrete, required amount of water is added. Water quantity is depends upon the climate factor and workability of concrete. We generally maintain 0.35 to 0.5 of water cement ratio. Remember, above values may change according to the moisture content present in sand and aggregate. Cement required for 1 cubic meter of concrete 400 kgs. Assume water cement ratio 0.5. Here 50% of cement. Water required for 1 cubic meter of concrete 400 into 0.5. Amount of water required for 1 cubic meter of concrete equal to 200 kgs or 200 liter. Hence 200 liter of water is required for 1 cubic meter of M20 grade concrete. Finally, the summary. 8 bag of cement required for 1 cubic meter of M20 grade concrete and 672 kgs of sand, 1326 kgs of aggregate and 200 liter of water is required for M20 grade of concrete.